Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best Pixel Fold accessories 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features, and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. As a proud owner of the Google Pixel Fold, you want to make sure you have all the essential accessories to enhance your experience. Luckily, the market is flooded with Pixel Fold accessories that can cater to your every need. From cases to chargers, it's hard to know where to start. To make your life easier, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best Pixel Fold accessories that you should consider investing in. These accessories will not only make your phone look great but also protect it from everyday wear and tear. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top picks for the best Pixel Fold accessories. I have prepared this video guide for the 5 best Pixel Fold accessories 2023, so let's get started. 5. Casiology Parallax. The 3D ergonomic design of the case provides enhanced ergonomics and a secure grip, making it easy to hold your phone without worrying about accidental drops. The adhesive strip attached to the case offers even more security, ensuring that your phone stays in place no matter what. The case is not just functional, but it also looks great. The slim design of the case makes it easy to access all buttons and ports on your phone, while the stunning colors and patterns of the case add a touch of style to your device. 4. UGREEN 65W USB Charger. One of the most impressive features of this charging station is the dynamic temperature sensors that actively monitor temperatures. This ensures that your devices are never overcharged or overheated, which can cause damage to your devices. The UGREEN charger also comes with a fire-resistant material that can withstand high temperatures. This, along with its efficient heat dissipation structure, ensures safe overnight charging. You can rest easy knowing that your devices are charging safely and efficiently while you sleep. 3. Skullcandy Crusher Headphones. One of the best things about the Crusher Evo is its impressive battery life. You can enjoy up to 40 hours of listening on a single charge. Whether you are on an all-day gaming session or just don't have time to charge your headphones, you can be sure that you still have some juice. And if you do run out of battery, a 10-minute quick charge will give you 4 hours of playtime. The Crusher Evo is also incredibly comfortable to wear. They achieve this level of comfort through a thick padded headband and foam cushion earpads. You can wear them for hours without any discomfort. And if you need to take a call, the integrated hidden mic makes it easy to do so without having to take off your headphones. Take your Crusher Evo with you wherever you go. The headphones come with a durable travel bag to protect them while on the move. And when you're not using them, you can fold them up to save space and protect them even further. 2. Google Pixel Watch. One of the great features of the Google Pixel Watch is its heart rate tracking and sleep monitoring capabilities. With these features, you can get insight into your heart rate and sleep patterns, helping you to better understand your overall health and well-being. The Google Pixel Watch also includes convenient features like Google Wallet for contactless payments, turn-by-turn directions using maps, and event notifications from the calendar. These features can help you save time and stay organized, making your life easier and more efficient. Finally, the Google Pixel Watch also allows you to stay connected and productive no matter where you go. With the ability to respond to messages, manage your inbox, and make calls right from your wrist, you can stay connected to your work and personal life without ever having to pull out your phone. 1. Google Pixel Buds Pro. The Pixel Buds Pro also feature custom 11mm speaker drivers and volume EQ technology, which means that you'll get amazing sound at any volume. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or taking an important call, these earbuds will deliver clear and crisp audio that you'll love. And when it comes to battery life, the Pixel Buds Pro won't disappoint. With up to 11 hours of listening time, you can enjoy your music or podcasts for hours on end. And if you need to charge them, the included charging case can provide up to 31 hours of additional listening time. Plus, you can even charge them wirelessly with a Pixel stand or other Qi certified chargers. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best Pixel Fold accessories 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.